Top of the night, people. We're going to journey down a Rockfort. We're going to journey down a Rockfort. The police them go Rockfort for a man with them called Dagga man. Want to hear the name there? Ladies, Dagga man. And we know the regular thing. Confrontation with lawman and weapon was seized. My viewers and subscribers, we become so accustomed to that right about now. Is that when the police them say it nowadays now, you say to yourself, no, this can't be real. Because all of them story, it have to do with confrontation. Now, the police them go down there and go dirt Dagga man. The people them come out and say, Dagga man are innocent, him not trouble people. And it's not like this police them see with a gun. You see me? Now, I get to understand, say, the police them come and question Dagga man and I ask him, say, yo, where is the $4 million? Papa Jesus. You hear that, people? Where is the $4 million? And is that Dagga man can't answer. So them bust him up and carry him go, people. Bust him up broad and carry him go away. Same way like that, my people. I'm not joking this. Youths and youths, careful out there. Police want on the 3 points, especially when they now move right. Because this is like a scamming activity gone wrong. So this obviously means that Dagga man and the police them are do some undercover dirty work. You see me? And the police them decide, say, you know what? Enough for Dagga man, I find much excuse, you got dirt him. And them thing I go on right about now, people. The criminal them and the police them are friend. And when money not share right, police come dash a man and say a shootout. And play a gun per man and say, watch you now. But who find a gun there? And then the police them hierarchy believe and say, yeah, certain gun. Yeah, man, a certain gun and thing, man. Dagga man was a wicked man. Me now say, man, now the things no people in a certain community, you know. Can remember, you know, a Rockfort, that's the number of viewers and subscribers, you know. You have some good with a Rockfort, you know. But it's when you come to some place like down a Rockfort in certain community of viewers and subscribers, you have to be very careful. You have some man down so them now ramp. Them now make a boy come take for them 3 points. Some are different for them own. You see me? The police them nowadays, I don't know what kind of work them I do. Me don't know are the first police force me see. Under Andrew administration, where I kill off so much man. As them go up on a scene, and them hear someone have a 9mm Spencer or whatsoever. I hear someone have an AK-47. Them come dirt him. Them now ask Christ nothing. You see my people? My viewers, let me go on a incident. What me see for myself. You see me? My viewers, I remember New Year's night. You see me? Me see one youth now and lane my viewers and myself. I'm not talking a ghetto term. I see one youth now my lane and thing my people. I know as usual, you know, say when I get a fireworks I go on a man I got them things for squeeze up in the air and B2 and all these things. Even though the police tell them say, yo, no celebration. You see me? And the man in the lane do them thing with people. And police drive up, you know. And just start beat it so. Beat it. Them they ask question if baby in the dog or cat or puss. Nothing. I want one man drop out like that, my viewers and subscribers. You see me? Me know the man them wrong the people. Them shouldn't have done that. Them wrong. But you see them police here nowadays now. You see once you have a weapon, them now ask question. Them will get rid of your people. Now we're gonna move on, my viewers and subscribers. We're gonna talk about a 78-year-old licensed firearm holder. You see me? Who charged after allegedly confrontation in Portland. When you hear that? 78-year-old real grandfather people have him think on him and that cause problem. Me no know him to them licensed firearm holder. It's almost like say when anything happen, them odds are jumping at it. Them odds are get themselves in a problem. It goes like this: a 70-year-old licensed firearm holder from Portland has been charged with assault and a gun-related offense following an alleged confrontation in his community a week ago. He has been charged with assault at common law and using firearm to commit a scheduled offense in connection with the incident on Saturday, May 23rd. Police statement said Now, my viewers and my subscribers, I swear, some of them man mustn't carry a gun, people. They mustn't carry no gun attack. And you even tell me, say, yo, you have your license firearm and you want a man have sitting. And you even tell me, say, you go there give him to box so tight and all these things. Youth, when you not wise up, you know, when you get gun for the what? For the phonish? Them start take your license right away. Take your license right away. You know this is where for have gun. Because by right, once you have a license firearm, you have to protect yourself. Yes, man, you have to protect yourself, brother. You should know that already, because I don't know, say, you read and understand the main purpose of the license firearm. And if you take it out to the public and talk about you defend yourself in a certain regarding you abuse people. You see me? All the time you use the firearm is when you're in an immediate danger. I mean, no send an immediate danger person in there. And suppose them won't charge him. You see me? I make the verse too. You're old man. You're old man are going to kill a young boy. Old man are do all these things, people. You see Jamaica gone. 78-year-old man. No, sir. My viewers, me convinced, you know. Say once you have a gun in a Jamaica, them people consider as a top man. Once you have a gun, you're a top man, my people. And there's no way at all. You may tell me, say, yo, sitting like this happen. And the man decides, say, yo, I'm going to just take out him gun and just create some scene with people. I swear. Now we're going to move on with people. We're going to talk about it's lottery scam, youth, yeah. See me? St. Catherine man arrested in lottery scam raid. A 30-year-old St. Catherine man was arrested during an anti-lottery scam operation in Spanish Town after police allegedly found personal information belonging to overseas resident and electronic device seized during a search. Now, my people, from a couple of weeks, you know, the scamming thing has become very frequent in Jamaica right about now. The scamming thing has become very, 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 very much frequent. You nowadays, they don't want to work. They want to scam money and laugh and smile and compare heads and buy liquor and floss and talk about who and who them dash way. You see me? And buy gun and all these things, my viewers and subscribers. I not support the scamming thing, my people. Because the scamming thing, it come with violence. Believe it or not, the scamming thing come in with violence. Because when youths get high in the people and decide, say, you know what, the boy now violate me, no. What them go do? Buy some shops in them community. See me? If you do them I do. I make the reverse to get the people. More them get some scamming money and money no share good. So you think that man get vexed. Man go for him gun and man go buy him gun and waiting big war in a community. You see me? Why you think Moby mash up some people? Why you think Moby mash up with so much criminal down there so? Because it's all have to do with gang related scamming activity. Now, remember what the last story, people, where JUTC bus caught fire today in Spanish Town Depot. Now, my viewers and subscribers, for those who know and who don't know, these buses are very fragile when it comes to certain situations, my people. One thing we know for certain, if you have about 10 buses on a route, you see me, can guarantee you one or two of them always in a situation like this. The bus them must service properly and well taken care of, my viewers and my subscribers. This happens too frequent. Almost every year you have 1 and 2 buses catch a fire. You see me? And it ain't getting no better, my people. It not getting no better. Because all the man do are rev out the bus and I service them on time and all these things. You see me? So some of these buses right now, they are unfit for the public. You see me? Because you can depend on the bus at any given time, the people. And fire start, you know. Yes, that's how bad it is. So the JUTC need to come out and get some answer towards this man and put a closure to this, because too much boss more time I get in a flames. You see me? And if I carry people, they have to make sure that the bus them in a good condition, my viewers and subscribers. And a joke thing about that. You see me? But guess what, guys? JUTC is how we could kill this company, so we can expect anything at all from them, viewers. So remember to please like and share and big up on yourself as usual, because that's about the people. That's about it. You see me? So I'm going to leave on right now until we just take care.